Well, here's my worst one. Sounds good. Now, including that one, they're all got new music. That one's an old motor. That's the golf ball cylinder. Turned out the rings were no good from the new motor. They're real soft, but these ones is a damn good motor. Base gasket removed, but I got to tune these up during the daytime. It's getting quite late out where I am now, but that's the first time I've had this one with the 372 carby running healthy. It's a four transfer case cylinder, heavily ported, very healthy, very good compression, no compression valve, but like you can hear that once it's raw. I'm quite impressed. All right, looking forward to tomorrow.